That's kitchen. This is, I guess, the laundry room. The addition. Let me see if I can find the part. The floors are a little unleveled. I don't know. I think this is addition in the back. So these are the I guess the water pipe for the laundry room. That's the kitchen. The floor again, it's unleveled. This side it looks like it's an addition, so it might be. This is. I guess this is another the laundry room. I don't know. This is a little room.